Now running with open door. Just added a piece of wood on a hot bed of coals. Stove is already hot. A few flames escaping the front door and getting sucked into the secondary air. Not all of them, a few. Some are really escaping. Let me reduce the secondary air a bit. Let's see what changes. So now the vortex is not so strong, quite clean. The chamber, vortex chamber got a bit black, now it's getting white again. The front glass has got a white haze. I don't know if it's ash or something that doesn't go away. Let's give it a bit more small wood. Chamber is super hot, the small wood immediately starts burning. Vortex gets more intense. And the inside of the vortex chamber is glowing, super hot. The top of the vortex chamber is really glowing brightly.